Hi, this is Theresa here at Firkins Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram in Bradenton, Florida. Just took in this 2014 Dodge Durango. This is a limited trim level, which gets you the chrome wheels. It also has black leather interior, heated seat in front and back, backup camera, backup sensors. This is a clean vehicle, clean Carfax. It's a one owner. It will be a certified vehicle, giving you 7-year, 100,000 on the powertrain with a lot of extended warranties available. You have 8-way power on the seat and 4-way lumbar. We have memory seats and your automatic windows, locks, doors. You have automatic headlights, Bluetooth, voice recognition, cruise control, 8.4 radio screen, AM/FM satellite radio, and navigation. You have dual air, Home Link, which is your garage door openers. Very nice leather interior. This is a 6-passenger, so the second row does have bucket seats with cup holders in the center. And your third row are 2-passenger also, so the whole back end will lay down flat. You do have air in the ceiling in the back to help keep it cool. And here's your additional USB ports, heated seats, 3-prong outlet, and ventilation in the back here also. Very, very nice vehicle. You don't want to miss out on this one. You will only find this vehicle at Firkins. Call Theresa for pricing. 941-807-1165. Thank you.